A little more than a week has passed since President Trump signed his big, beautiful bill into law. But one big question looms with some widespread impacts. How will the bill change your medical care here in Southwest Florida? Wake News reporter Maddie Herron brought that question to local doctors to get the answer.
It depends on who you ask, but now that President Trump signed his one big, beautiful bill into law, there are different opinions on how it will impact consumers.
I've never seen the country so divided over stuff.
Veteran Gary Helms has been on Medicare for 7 years. I asked him if he has seen any change in his care costs.
It hasn't been long enough. We've been to the doctors, and we still get the same copay, and that's pretty much it.
But Dr. Jose Baez, president of the Collier County Medical Society, expects programs like Medicare and Medicaid to see some major changes.
A lot of this, the ACA subsidies, if they're going to expire, patients will be without insurance. They're going to have to pay higher premiums, here, especially in Southwest Florida.
Take a look at the number of people enrolled in both programs. In Florida, over 4 million people are enrolled in Medicaid. Over 5 million people are enrolled in Medicare and Medicare Advantage statewide. One of those people is North Naples resident John Fitzsimmons' mother, Shirley. Both want to see how the new legislation will impact their family.
I think for all of us, you're waiting for the details, but when you hear that waste, fraud, and abuse, and so we're aware that that's out there. So I'm glad that it's being addressed.
The White House addressed the legislation in a fact versus myth page. In one example, it says Medicare has not been touched. But Dr. Baez said both Medicare and Medicaid will be impacted.
Nearly 2 million Floridians will lose their coverage by the year 2034, which is very disheartening to hear that.
It will take time for the act's effects to take shape in Southwest Florida, and Wink News will continue to monitor them. In Collier County, Maddie Herron, Wink News.
Dr. Baez told Wink News that people can still apply for the Affordable Care Act. However, in many cases, he says premiums may now go up. He recommends reaching out to a social services agency to review your options.